For almost a decade, International Confectionery has delivered news, analysis, and industry insight to over 52,000 professionals worldwide. Editorially, we cover the full supply chain, from ingredients and processing technology to automation, packaging, sustainability, and finished goods. We offer high-impact advertising opportunities, trusted by leading brands across the global confectionery sector. The front cover is our most prominent placement, delivering maximum visibility. This package includes front cover positioning and a full supporting editorial feature. Ask the Expert enables your specialist to share insight with a global audience, reinforcing your authority. Product spotlights showcase your innovation through concise, editorial-style content, clearly highlighting key product benefits. You can also align your brand with core editorial themes within the magazine's most widely read sections. Confectionery.com delivers real-time news, product launches, market analysis, and expert commentary, keeping the industry informed while giving your brand consistent, credible visibility. Our newsletters reach a highly engaged international audience, providing a direct and trusted channel for product announcements, launches, and targeted brand messaging. Across LinkedIn, X, and YouTube, our social channels extend your reach further, connecting your brand with a growing global audience of industry professionals. Confectionery Live connects your brand with a highly engaged, global audience actively seeking new products, innovations, and solutions. It's one of the most effective ways to deliver your message, driving engagement, building trust, and positioning your business as an industry expert. With extended reach across digital channels, Confectionery Live ensures your content is seen by a wider, highly relevant confectionery audience. The International Confectionery Reader Awards recognize the innovators and leaders driving the confectionery industry forward. For sponsors, the awards offer high-profile visibility through event branding, editorial coverage, social promotion, presence in the event magazine, on-stage opportunities, and video integration. They provide a leading platform to showcase excellence across the industry. International Confectionery connects you with the people shaping the sector and strengthens your message. Join our growing international portfolio.